The project, entitled Sustainable Agriculture Water Management in Cereal-Based Farming Systems of Northern Ghana, is funded through US aid and forms part of the Feed the Future initiative. In order to conduct field-level measurements within the target sites in 2 districts, Tamale and Laura, 2 automated Hobo weather stations were deployed. The assembly of the equipment was first carried out off of farmers' fields. After making trial runs of the assembly, the weather station was then connected to the computer in order to test for its functionality. The weather station measures wind speed, solar radiation, rainfall, relative humidity, air temperature, and soil moisture. These form key variables for determining evapotranspiration, which in turn aids in estimation of water productivity. Trial data was collected every 5 minutes, and after verification, the equipment was installed in the field. The community took part in helping the final placement of different parts of the station. Both the lowermost and uppermost have to be securely connected together. After the wires and sensors were placed in the right order, the solar panel was then sighted to face the right direction for optimal reception of sunlight.
Where did you say where is it? From more carry get something nice. You should sama bia ma no pro carry. You're right.
The ground wire has to be connected to the logger assembly in order to minimize the risk of electrical shocks from thunderstorms. Both research partners and technicians were given guidance on how the sensors work and how the entire assembly functions.
That is why when you're measuring this in the soil, so it's looking at this radius around it has to be soil.
Is this T3?
Thereafter, the soil moisture sensors were installed within the different treatments in the field. The area is first cleared, then a leading edge for the sensor is made.
So 10 centimeters. Right there. Yes, put this slating. Just slating. Just slightly widen it so that the sensor can have a base to sit on.
The cap is removed and the sensor is placed vertically in the soil, so it allows the averaging over the depth of the sensor.
And the reason why we put it
If the sensor is placed flat and there is a rain event, the water would sit on the sensor instead of percolating down the profile by gravity. This would then give you erroneous readings. After equipment installation, a discussion further reinforced the importance of the presence of this equipment within the community. The project leader shared with the community his thoughts and let them know that the key results from this study will be shared with them at a later stage. The steward for this equipment is called Pastor, and he discussed his enthusiasm with the community, with the tribal chiefs looking on very attentively. They were very glad to have the equipment installed in their community.
You know that Pastor is the project. Yes. So we did
The keys were then handed over to the steward, but the chief acted as the intermediary before handing the keys over to the pastor.
Okay, that God will bless the key. And he's up to it. Pastor.
Thank you.